You know, the best part about being in the middle of nowhere is you're in the middle of nowhere and nobody's around. So there's really not an issue with privacy. If I need to go to the bathroom, I grab a shovel, I dig a hole. But you know who needs their privacy in the middle of nowhere? My wife. So how do you solve the portable privacy problem? Well, Ironman 4x4 has a great solution to that. So let me show you how the Ironman 4x4 Instant Ensuite works. Ensuite's just a fancy term for, I think, bathroom. But it's really a privacy shade that you can roll out. It mounts to the side of your roof rack just like an awning. You got a loop in the front, a loop in the back, rolls right out, drops down here. Start on the right-hand side. You can swing this leg out. You've got adjustable loops, so you can set your level of privacy. They've got pockets inside, so you can put your soap and shampoo in there if you're using it to take showers. They deploy really quick, and they pack back up just as quick. 100% aluminum, you're not gonna rust out, and they're great for magic tricks. These Ensuites are great and they're a great value. So if you want one, check it out on Ironman4x4America.com. Click like and subscribe on all of our social medias. You can check us out on IG, Facebook, and YouTube. What the heck? How do I get out of here? Help.